So what are the differences between recasting and refinancing, and is one right for you? Recasting is when your existing lender recalculates your current loan based on you making a substantial prepayment lump sum. So basically, when you make a large lump sum payment, you have overall less due on your mortgage, and your next monthly payments after the recalculations by your lender will be smaller. So you pay less interest over time, and you have smaller monthly payments due. Refinancing is when you have your current loan and you can either go with your existing lender or reach out to a new lender and have that current loan paid off and start with an absolutely new loan. So when you refinance, you'll have new loan terms. You will be able to get a lower interest rates if interest rates are lower when you refinance. And again, you can have a different lender or the same one. Your loan payment should be smaller in terms of amounts because you're starting anew. So if you go from a 30-year fixed to a 30-year fixed, assuming that you paid off an amount in your balance before you did the refi, your monthly amounts should be smaller. That paired with hopefully you getting a lower interest rate. The main advantage of recasting is improved monthly cash flow. You now have lower monthly amounts due to your lender because you've made a large prepayment and they've recalculated the monthlies that you owe. It's also much easier to qualify for recasting than it is a refinance because you're not actually applying for a new loan. You're just rejiggering the loan that you already have. You don't need to provide proof of income, you don't need to document your assets for recasting, and they don't look at your credit scores again. A couple of notes on recasting. All lenders don't recast, so before you start to think about the process, make sure you reach out to your current lender and see if they do it. A lot of lenders require a minimum payment in order to start the recasting process. And definitely find out how much it costs. While it tends to be significantly cheaper than refinancing, there is a minimal cost attached. Some jumbo loans don't qualify for recasting, so make sure to ask your lender. And FHA and VA loans typically don't qualify for recasting either. Like recasting, refinancing also can get you a lower monthly payment. The difference is, refinancing again is a brand new loan, so you can also change the terms. If lower interest rates are available, you can get lower interest rates, and you can completely go to a different loan product. For a refinance, because it's a new loan, it typically costs more. You'll have loan origination fees, you'll have an appraisal, all the things that you had in the original loan when you first bought your place. When you refinance, if you get the exact same loan product that you previously had, you could pay more interest over the life of the loan. So it's important to run a loan amortization schedule and check it out with your lender to make sure that you're doing what's financially savvy for you. One thing that's frequently overlooked in terms of saving money over the life of a mortgage is not recasting or refinancing. It's making a large lump sum payment and then continuing to make your monthly payments as scheduled. Or not making a large lump sum payment and paying more than your monthly loan amount so that over the life of the loan you pay less interest. So in sum, if you're considering recasting your mortgage or refinancing your mortgage, it's best to talk to your lender to find out, number one, if recasting is available, number two, what the fees are going to be for either, and number three, how much interest and savings will you actually get. If you have any questions or need to be paired up with an amazing lender, please feel free to reach out.